Hey everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, and if you're looking to maximize your matches and stand out in the crowd, you're in luck because today we're diving into Tinder's Primetime Boost. Let me briefly tell you what is Primetime Boost. Primetime Boost makes your profile 5 times more visible during peak hours when the most users are active. More eyeballs on your profile means more potential matches. So activating Primetime Boost is really simple, just follow these steps. First, open the Tinder app on your phone. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Again, tap on the setting icon on the top right. Here you can see the Get Boosts option, tap on it. Now you need to choose your option and confirm your purchase and get ready for the boost. And that's it. Now you know how to use Primetime Boost to get more matches and more chats. Finally, one might ask, when should they use this feature? Well, timing is everything. To get the best results, use Primetime Boost when the Tinder is buzzing with activity, typically between 7 PM to 10 PM, which is also known as peak swiping hours. This ensures your profile gets seen by maximum numbers of users. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope this found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.